First, let's say the sound of each letter. K, A, T. Then, let's blend the sounds together and read the word. Cat, cat. Very good, kiddos. Let's do another word.
Woohoo!
Okay, kiddos, let's try this next word. Follow my lead. Dog. D. O. G. Dog. Dog. Awesome job, kiddos. You're so good.
Yahoo!
Let's practice this next word. Let's go, kiddos. Mom. Ah. Mom. Mom. Fantastic blending, kiddos. Let's keep going.
High five!
Let's try the next word together. Follow my lead. Dad. D. D. Dad. Dad. You got it.
Yay!
Okay, let's read this next one. Follow my lead. Hat. H. T. Hat. Hat. Excellent work, kiddos. Let's read the next word.
Love it!
Let's try the next word together. Pen. P. E. Pen. Pen. Great job, kiddos.
Fabulous!
Okay, you know what to do. Follow my lead. Bed. B. E. D. Bed. Bed. Wonderful work, kiddos. Let's try another one.
Marvelous!
Let's keep practicing. Let's go. Hen. H. E. Hen. Hen. Nice work, kiddos. Keep it up.
It's so much fun!
Great reading, kiddos. Now let's sound out the next word. Net. E. T. Net. Net. You're doing amazing.
Woohoo!
Again, kiddos, follow my lead. Leg. Oh. G. Leg. Leg. Way to go, kiddos! Let's read another word.
Cool.
Here comes our next word. Red. R. D. Red. Red. Amazing, kiddos! Let's continue.
Great.
Let's read this next word together. Pig. P. I. G. Pig. Pig. Terrific job! Here's the next word.
Wonderful.
Okay, kiddos, let's make the sound of each letter. Can. K. A. N. Can. Can. Amazing work, kiddos. Well done.
Terrific.
Let's sound out each letter together. Follow my lead. Win. W. I. N. Win. Win. Great blending, kiddos. Amazing.